Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. James. I create interesting videos to educate everyone. Do you think you might be depressed? Do you ever feel down? I don't feel motivated to get things done. Easily irritable? It interferes with your work, study, eat, sleep, and life. This frustration is called sadness. Feeling down from time to time is very normal. But when emotions such as hopelessness and despair take hold and won't go away, you may have depression. It is important to know that sadness is not equal to depression. What is the relationship between them? People often describe depression as living in a black hole or having a feeling of impending doom or emptiness. According to statistics, of the 7.7 billion people in the world, it is estimated that more than 350 million people suffer from depression. The prevalence of women is about 2 times higher than that of men. So how can you detect someone as having depression? What are the symptoms of depression? Number 1. Feelings of helplessness and hopelessness. A bleak outlook, nothing will ever get better and there's nothing you can do to improve your situation.
Oh, no!
Helpless individuals no longer believe that they can live safely in the world. Number 2. Loss of interest in daily activities. You don't care anymore about former hobbies, pastimes, social activities, or sex. You've lost your ability to feel joy and pleasure. Number 3. Appetite or weight changes. Significant weight loss or weight gain, a change of more than 5% of body weight in a month. Number 4. Sleep changes. Either insomnia, especially waking in the early hours of the morning, or oversleeping. Insomnia can absorb not only your energy level and mood but also your health, work performance and quality of life. Do not worry, I will teach you how to cope with depression. First, reach out to other people. Isolation fuels depression, so reach out to friends and loved ones, even if you feel like being alone or don't want to be a burden to others. The simple act of talking to someone face to face about how you feel can be an enormous help. Next, take a short walk, a brisk exercise or put some music on and dance around. Start with small activities and build up from there. Besides that, eat a mood-boosting diet. Reduce your intake of foods that can adversely affect your mood, such as caffeine, alcohol, trans fats, sugar and refined carbs. And increase mood-enhancing nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids. Find ways to engage again with the world. Spend some time in nature, have a care for a pet, volunteer, pick up a hobby you used to enjoy, or take up a new one. You won't feel like it at first, but as you participate in the world again, you will start to feel better. Lastly, seek professional help if support from family and friends and positive lifestyle changes are not enough. First, psychotherapy. Effective treatment for depression often includes consulting a therapist who can provide you tools to treat depression from a variety of angles and motivate you to take the action necessary. Worst situation, some antidepressant medication may be imperative if you're feeling suicidal or violent. But while it can help relieve symptoms of depression in some people, it isn't a cure. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thanks for watching, see you next time.